Hello students, welcome to the session. Today's topic for the session is degree and terms of a polynomial. Okay, so we will discuss about the degree and terms of a polynomial. So we know the polynomials is something like ax square plus bx plus c format. Okay, it is a mixture of variables and constant. Variable means your x values, your x slots, x, y, t. In any expression it can be like this, and a is your constant or number. So it is a polynomial is a combination. It's a combination of both. So we will discuss here the degrees. What are the degrees and terms of a polynomial? So let's start. If we have a polynomial, let us say y square into y minus 3. If we have y square into y minus 3, since this polynomial is not in simplified form, so what we will do here, we will just multiply it. We will open the bracket and solve it. So y square into y will be your y cube minus y square into y cube will be your y to the power 5. Fine. So this is your polynomial in y variable, and the powers of y are 3 and 5. So what is your degree? Degree means the highest power. Degree is your highest power of variable. Degree is the highest power of the variable. So degree is the highest power of variable. That means the highest power here is 3 or 5? 5. So the degree of this polynomial. So the degree will be 5. Clear? So we are finding the degrees of the polynomial. Polynomial degree means the variables which have the highest value. That will be called the degree of that polynomial. So let us take another example. 3x minus 2 into 2x cube plus 3x square. So this will be considered as 3x into 2x cube, 3x into 2x cube plus 3x into 3x square minus 2 into 2x cube minus 2 into 3x square. Okay, so this will be a 6x to the power 4 plus 9x to the power 3 minus 4x cube minus 6x square. Since this is your polynomial expression, and here the degree of variable, highest degree of the variable is your 4. So 4 is your degree of this among all the variables, among all the powers of the x. So the highest power is always called the degree of the polynomial. So here the degree is 4. Clear? So this is how we can calculate the degrees. Okay. Okay, next we will discuss about the terms of a polynomial. Moreover, also before discussing the terms of the polynomial, we have some particular degree polynomials. Just like your degree 1 polynomial will be called your linear polynomial. Degree 2 polynomial will be called your quadratic. Degree 3 polynomial will be called your cubic polynomial. Okay. So more than 2 degree, we call it a polynomial, but for degree 2 and 3, we have a specific word called quadratic, cubic. Okay. So these are called your linear, quadratic and cubic. For example, this is degree 1. Degree 1 means x type, 2y, 3y. Here the power is always 1. The variable power will contain 1. Quadratic means power will be 2 always. Y squared, x squared, t squared plus 1. These are your quadratic polynomial with degree 2. Cubic means x cube plus 1, 3x cube plus 5, like this. The degree will be always 3. Now next we will discuss about the terms of the polynomial. if an expression has only one term, see what do we mean by the terms? One term, that is only x, only 5, only 3x, only 1 by 2x. Okay, this only single term is present. They are called as monomial. What they are called? They are called as monomial. If two terms are present in the expression, two terms are present, just like we say x plus y, 2x square plus 3y square, 5x square minus 5x square plus 1. So though there are two terms, and these terms are differentiated by, segregated by this plus sign, These terms are segregated by plus sign. Okay, so these two terms are present and they are called as binomial. What we call as binomial. And if the expression has three terms, if three terms are present, we call it trinomial. For example, 2x plus 3y plus z minus 5x minus 4y plus 1. Since they have three terms, 2x is your first term, 3y and z is your this and this, they are your three terms. Okay, so this is called as trinomial. This is called your trinomial. So these are the categories of the degree. We can differentiate the polynomials in on the degree wise, and we can also classify the polynomials on the term wise like this: monomial, binomial, trinomial. Okay. So I hope you understood the topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me through my Urban Pro profile app. Till then, revise and let's meet in the next session. Thank you.